Let's see. Snorkel, check. Suntan lotion, check. Clean socks, at least 2 pairs, double check. Supposed to be hot at the lake this week, so green or blue? Maybe both.
It's your great aunt!
You're gonna bend the suitcase.
Whoa! It's just me.
We thought you might be Chris's great aunt Isabel.
That lady downstairs?
Yeah, trust me, she's just plain wacky.
Yes, she thinks I am a refrigerator.
Yeah, that is crazy.
I happen to be working on a way to keep you cool when we go to the lake this weekend. Try a Gizmolicious glacier cone, available in 73 different flavors. And wait till you see what I can do at high speed. Do it high speed! Do it high speed!
Oh! The stairs! My word!
Christopher, your refrigerator is after me again.
I am not a refrigerator.
Sorry, Aunt Isabel. It was an accident. Gizmo won't hurt you.
Oh, come here, you. Fine. I'll see you this weekend, Christopher. And leave the ice maker at home.
Mom, what did she mean by that?
Well, your aunt needs some painting and yard work done, and she needs a strong boy like you to help.
Mom, I'm going to the lake with Joy's family.
That was this weekend? Oh, Chris, I'm sorry. I forgot.
Mom, she thinks I'm coming to her house. Can't you and Dad help her?
I'm sorry, Chris. I really did get my dates mixed up. We won't make you go.
Huh?
The choice is up to you.
There is no way I'm going to spend the weekend doing hard labor for my great aunt.